In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-applicant or roommate on Zillow 2026 guide. If you're planning to rent with a partner, friend, or family member, getting everyone onto the same application is essential. It helps the landlord see the full household picture, keeps your paperwork tidy, and prevents delays later in the screening or lease stage. Start by opening the property listing you're excited about and selecting Apply Now. If a landlord has already reached out, you might have a direct request to apply link in your email or in your Zillow inbox. Use that to jump straight into the application. Make sure you're signed in so your progress is saved. Inside the application, look for the section called Your Household. Here, you'll confirm how many adults will live in the home. Adults means anyone 18 or older, including roommates, spouses, or adult children. Be accurate at this stage. The number you choose is what unlocks space for each co-applicant to be added and ensures the landlord receives a complete file. Next, enter each co-applicant's full name, phone number, and email address. Use their legal name exactly as it appears on official documents and double-check the spelling of their email. Zillow will use this information to send an official invitation, so even a small typo can cause a holdup. If you're unsure which email they use for Zillow, pause and confirm with them first to avoid resending invites later. When all details are in, select Done, adding co-applicants. Zillow will automatically email each person an invitation to join the application. Tell your roommates to keep an eye on their inbox and to check spam or junk if they don't see it within a few minutes. Automated messages can land there depending on their email filters. Each co-applicant must have their own Zillow account. If they don't already have one, the invite will guide them to create it quickly. After logging in, they need to open the invite link and complete their portion of the application from their own profile. That typically includes personal information and, if the landlord requires it, credit and background checks. Fees and authorizations are usually handled individually, so each person should be prepared to complete their part in full. That's the process from start to finish. Keep communication open with your co-applicants, confirm they've received and accepted the invites, and review your Zillow dashboard to make sure all sections show as completed. A clear, coordinated application makes you look organized and speeds up the landlord's decision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.